Heritage Volkswagen of West Atlanta, home of Atlanta's award-winning service department.
Don't wait until it's too late. Avoid costly repairs and make sure your engine is at maximum performance with a timing belt replacement. Although built for durability, your timing belt experiences high temperatures and wear on an everyday basis. The cost of replacing them every once in a while is a fraction of the cost of repairs for the damage when they fail. Many vehicles recommend changing the timing belt every 40 to 60,000 miles. Check your owner's manual today for a suggested mileage for replacement, or come ask our friendly service advisors to take a look. Replacing yours will not only save you money in the long run, you'll also drive away with peace of mind.
For service you can trust, visit our Heritage Volkswagen of West Atlanta store, located just 20 minutes west of Atlanta off of I-20, or online at vwatlanta.com. You can also visit our Heritage Volkswagen of South Atlanta store, located just 20 minutes south of Atlanta off of I-85, or online at atlantavolkswagen.com. Thank you for choosing Heritage Volkswagen for all your automotive needs.